have a dog hair in my mouth.
Ew. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. We did some fun things for this video. We are actually gonna tie-dye some stuff.
Who loves tie-dye?
Tie-dye?
We actually got an inspiration from a YouTuber. Her name, what's her name?
I don't remember.
Her name is
a while ago.
Nicole Guerriero. We will link her video down below in the description. But we saw her do this and I really wanted to do it. And then I was like, hey Chelsey.
Yeah, that seems like a cool idea for a video. Tie-dye's coming back, so why not?
So, if you are interested in seeing our tie-dye, keep watching.
Let's go tie-dye things together. Come on, bring your friends.
You come too. It's Joe.
It's Chelsey.
We are going to get our items ready. What we are doing is tie-dye.
Bada bing, bada boom.
So because I have like 80 kids, I'm gonna do a shirt for my oldest, a shirt for my youngest, a shirt for me, a shirt for my mom, biker shorts, some leggings for me, and leggings for my mom.
And since it's just me, I am going to do a shirt for me, and some leggings for me, and some biker shorts for me.
Okay, instructions. I'm pretty sure we're supposed to let them.
Hey look, it gives us something we can lay down. Rubber bands. Gloves. The instructions. Prepare fabric. Using a flat method of dyeing, place plastic wrap or trash bag in between layers of fabric to keep from dyeing seeping through the other side. Huh? Oh, maybe that's what this was for? Add water to dye bottles. Fill to the neck, replace cap tightly, shake until dye is dissolved. Let set for 6 to 8 hours or longer. For most intense colors, rinse until water is clear. 2 gloves for you, 2 gloves for me.
Oh, thank you.
My colors, purple and teal. Jaleesa's using lime and green.
Okay, so I am just crushing it. Whatever it's called. My hands are too little for this.
If this comes out looking horribly, it's Jaleesa's fault. Okay, I'm done. Now what?
The rubber bands. Oh, thanks! He's so graceful.
How many rubber bands are we supposed to use? Ta-da! I'm gonna say that mine is done. I hope I did it right. This is a stupid challenge. Feels like one. Okay. That's good enough for me. Doggy. We're gonna save some of the color. How much of it did you dump out? All of it?
All of it.
Always gotta be safe.
Wow, look at the color. They're so pretty.
Apply dye on fabric, checking to make sure dye has penetrated into folds. Do not oversaturate fabric. If dye is applied too close to the other colors, may become muddy.
Okay, you ready for this, my love?
Hopefully, mine turned out correctly. Oh yeah, I'm saturating this biznatch.
It was a little fun, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay everybody, so I so like the way the bottom of mine turned out more than I like the way the top did. So hopefully we can get this rolling with the biker shorts. Time to start those. Let's get these puppies wet. I already accidentally made a mess on mine.
And I'm done.
Jaleesa doesn't want to be in frame. I'll be in frame, everybody.
Okay. It's so hard.
Yours looks like a ball. I came in like a wrecking ball. And let's dive in, shall we? Here goes the purple. Wrap and let set. I'm gonna put them in their own, each individual Ziploc baggie.
Okay, and now we move on.
Okay, we're back. I think I am going to twirl this one. I found an extra white shirt.
Okay, here we go.
Do I want the circle to be in the middle or down not by the side? Am I dumb?
No, you're beautiful. Maybe not a little smart, but you're beautiful. You can't have them both. So my dad always said.
Dang. I don't have a dad. Wow, that got real quick, you guys. Mine doesn't look twisted like yours. How did you get it to...
I put a rubber band on the outside, and then I put rubber bands all around it.
Oh, okay. Yay, I finally did it, you guys. Are you proud of me?
Alright, we finally finished the tie-dye.
Whoop, whoop.
It was a little stressful. Chelsey had a headache.
I did.
She was not a happy camper.
And
my hands are stained.
Mine were, but not so much anymore now. But Jaleesa's are...
Mine are gross.
Jaleesa's are bad.
I have dry hands, so like...
Super
it,
dry.
like, my hands soaked up the dye. But we will get on to the video and we will show you guys all the things we made.
Yeah! So
you're looking at me.
They have to sit in a bag or plastic wrap for 6 to 8 hours.
We just did overnight.
So me and Jaleesa each did a shirt and leggings and shorts. I actually did an extra pair of shorts and an extra shirt. And she made a shirt for both of her sons and her madre.
I made pants for my mom too.
Oh, and pants. Yeah. So here we go. I'm just going to start off with this one because it's my favorite. It's orange and yellow. And it kind of looks like a sun. I twisted it in the corner.
Looks pretty dope. Okay, these are my mom's leggings. She requested blue, purple, and pink, but I threw in some yellow because
why not? Pride. Hi.
Okay, these are her leggings.
Isn't that so pretty?
I mean, they look really good. I like them.
I like them too. There's a lot of white, but I still really like them. These were my extra shorts that I did. They are teal and green.
I like those a
Looks
lot.
like yellow. And I just bunched it up this way. And that's how I got that side effect.
Okay, my mom, for some reason, requested a neon shirt to tie-dye. And she wanted the same colors, blue,
pink and purple.
Pink and purple, but because of the shirt being
lime green,
like the colors came out way weird. Pink actually looks red, the blue looks green, and the purple looks brown. But it came out pretty freaking good.
Looks good. The back looks good.
Okay, this is Henry's, my oldest son. His favorite colors is black and red, so
it looks like you put some orange in there, did you?
No, I just faded.
It was orange.
When I
wow, this is so cool. I love
the back.
The effect. Oh yeah, this is my favorite part.
Cool, looks like a handprint on hated that. I think I might like his the best out of all of us. Okay, and then for Hadrian, my 2-year-old, I did his blue, purple, and red, but it almost looks pink.
His red came out pink. But that's okay. But again, it looks like you put orange in it.
I didn't. It just
and it looks like you put some green in it. That's cool.
Okay, on our leggings.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it.
Shut up.
These are my leggings.
Those are
Aren't they so pretty? I love them. Purple, again, is my favorite color.
If you can't tell.
And I added some teal.
Okay, mine is green and black because those are my favorite colors, but it didn't turn out as well as hers, dude.
Jaleesa kept telling me, I want to leave some white, some extra white. I want there to be white.
I wish it all looked like this one, like the leg of this one.
Then I don't know what she did, to be honest.
Look on the butt.
She just crumbled it in a bowl.
That's my butt right there.
So our biker shorts are a different material. So mine came out a lot lighter, more like pastel-y color. What? Hello? It's still really pretty though.
Yeah. Yours came out a lot better than
Bada bing, bada boom.
Mine came out like this.
The
front looks good.
I love yours though. They look so good.
The front looks really good, but the back, it's like really white.
Her butt's white. And they're a little see-through, so that should have...
Yeah, so I was trying to put most of the color on the butt because how see-through it is. See, look.
Oh.
You can see my ring.
Our shirt.
An oversized shirt to go with our biker shorts.
Color or see-through biker shorts. So this one, it came out good, but it's not my favorite because I feel like there's way too much white.
I like the back though. Okay, well mine came out like this, and it came out with a little, like more white showing, but that's fine because I didn't mind that.
Because that's how you wanted it.
Alright, we are going to try on,
I'm gonna put them on and show you what they look like on our beautiful voluptuous bodies.
Alright, well if you're interested in seeing what we look like in our tada,
keep watching because it's coming up. Right? No. This is mine. Biker shorts. Shirt. We did a pretty damn good job. Guys.
Okay, you're up. Okay. I wore them with my feelers. Me and my chicken legs. Put my shirt down.
Her bum bum. And these are my leggings. They are a lot darker than my shirt, you know, but that's okay. I feel like I'm in a giant pajama onesie. Aren't they cute?
Okay. Oh, they look the same.
Here's my leggings. No, you got black. I can see the black.
My legs look cooler. Hold on.
These are our outfits.
Oh. I'm out of breath.
These are our matching outfits. The next up are the clothes that we randomly did. And here's this one. Lime green and turquoise. And then yellow and orange. Yellow and orange for my shirt. I love the shirt. I love the way the shirt came out. It looks so good. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it.
Gucci mama!
Are they see-through?
Not that see-through though, but I mean it's gonna fit him for perfect.
Do you like your shirt? Yeah? You seem very excited to be wearing it. They are twins, as you can see. Oh, you couldn't really dance.
Okay, well I hope you guys liked our video of our tie-dyeing adventure.
Yeah.
It was actually quite fun.
I had a blast.
Like I said, we'll link Nicole Guerrero's video down below. And we'll link our tie-dyeing kit that we got, which was at Walmart, but we'll link that down below as well.
Like, subscribe, turn on those notifications.
Comment
below what you think.
Whose tie-dye you liked more.
We'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, ring that bell.